Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to factory reset the Whoop 4.0 health tracker. If your Whoop 4.0 sensor lights stay on after removing the device, or do not turn on when you wear it, you can reboot the device to refresh its operation and restore normal functionality. First, open the Whoop app on your phone and make sure your Whoop 4.0 is connected. Now navigate to the menu tab, which is the last tab with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap Device Settings, then open the Advanced tab. Here, select Firmware Check. If a firmware update is available, download and install the latest version. Keep your Whoop and mobile device close to each other during the update process to maintain a stable connection. Wait for the update to finish completely. This may take several minutes depending on the update's size. Once the update is complete, return to Device Settings. Now select Reboot Device. Keep your Whoop 4.0 and phone close together for a few seconds while the reboot process finishes. If no firmware update is available, simply return to Device Settings and tap Reboot Device directly. Wait a few moments for the tracker to restart and reconnect. After the reboot is complete, check whether the sensor lights are functioning normally when the device is worn or removed. Keep in mind that rebooting your Whoop does not erase any of your data. It simply refreshes the device and resets the LEDs to help resolve detection or sensor issues. If the tracker incorrectly detected that it was off your body before the reboot, there may be a gap in the data collected during that period. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.